The dirty little secret about my foolproof ribs is they're actually cooked in the oven until they're falling off the bone and absolutely delicious. And then at the last minute, I throw them on the grill and they get that really charred flavor. They're so good and they're so easy to do. So for the barbecue sauce, I'm starting with 1 onion that I've sauteed in vegetable oil. I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Just cook it for a minute because you don't want to overcook the garlic. 1 cup of tomato paste. It's got a lot of ingredients, but frankly, a lot of them you probably already have in your pantry. 1 cup of cider vinegar, a little acidity in this. 1 cup of honey. It actually adds a little sweetness, and then it'll caramelize on the grill. 1 cup of Dijon mustard. It's a lot, I know. 1 cup of hoisin sauce. That's the start of the Asian ingredients. 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce. 1/2 cup of soy sauce. You still with me? 2 tablespoons of chili powder. That's 1 and 2. 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Just gives great flavor, really depth of flavor. And a little bit of heat, 1½ teaspoons of crushed red pepper flakes. You want it to be a little hot, right? I'm just gonna bring that to a boil, mix everything together, and let it simmer for 30 minutes. All those flavors are just gonna deepen and get absolutely delicious. They're gonna be so good with the ribs. The barbecue sauce is ready. Time to make the ribs. I use St. Louis ribs, and I find them perfect. They have a lot of meat on the bone, and they're not too big to handle. Okay, so that's 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. I just season the meat side, not the bone side. And now I'm just gonna slather it with barbecue sauce. So big ladle. I always use aluminum foil underneath it so it's easy to clean up, because these are good and messy. So now I'm gonna cover them loosely with foil, 350 degrees for 1 hour and 45 minutes until the meat is falling off the bone. Whoa, don't those look fantastic? So at this point, I put on a little more barbecue sauce because I think it really needs it. And this is gonna really caramelize on the grill, get that nice barbecue flavor. Okay, and the rest of it, I'm gonna pour into a dish and take outside for dipping once they're all done. Okay, I've got the ribs, I've got the sauce. See you at the grill. I'm just gonna brush it with oil just to make sure the ribs don't stick. Just extra precaution. Whoa, that's a little more exciting than I thought. Okay, let's grill these ribs. I'll place them on the grill, rib side down. Put the lid on with the vents open and grill them for 5 minutes. Then take the lid off, turn the ribs meat side down, put the lid back on, and cook them for another 5 minutes. Oh wow, look how delicious and perfectly browned these are. So I'll put them on a board, cover them tightly with aluminum foil, and let them rest for 10 minutes. These look fantastic. I only wish you could smell them. This looks so good. Look, they're meaty, they're flavorful, they're tender. You know what? Once I stopped incinerating ribs on the grill and started roasting them first and then barbecuing them, there's no going back.